So, wanted to talk a little bit about eating out of town. I am out of town for a wedding reception and at a breakfast place. So, I always try to do breakfast because it can usually hold me over until the nighttime festivities, and I know I'll probably splurge at night. So, I try to get up early and have a nice breakfast. So, with breakfast, there's two options here. There's a buffet, which you guys know there's usually always a buffet, and then there's a menu. So I want to kind of talk about the differences and how I make my decision. So you guys also know that I'm always operating on a budget. So here's basically the menu: meats. You can get waffles, pancakes, some specialty egg items. You can get omelets. There's different breakfast sandwiches, and then there's pastries and all these things. So you can get this, and you guys kind of see the prices. So I would probably lean towards making my own omelet, which is $14. I have my cup of coffee. That's another few dollars. Um, there's juice. I'm probably not going to get any of these juices. And then there's different cereals and eggs. So now let's take a look at the buffet. For the buffet, they have a omelet station, and they have a make your own omelets and waffle options that you can get. I would love to make a smoothie out of all this stuff. And then they have some oatmeal, which is going to be great. And they have cold cereal. They also have some cured meats. This is biscuits and muffins. Let's see what that looks like. Biscuits and muffins. And then they have like grits and gravy, smoked bacon, which I'm not going to be eating any of that stuff. So, and the buffet is $17. So basically, for me getting an omelet off the menu and me having them make an omelet, it's going to be the same price because I get coffee. So it's to my advantage to just go ahead and get something from the buffet, but just be mindful and not be tempted to get a whole bunch of other stuff off the buffet. So whenever you're eating at a buffet, you want to kind of survey all the options in terms of what you have to eat and then make your plate. You never want to make your plate and then kind of like as you're grazing by everything. Okay. All right, so here's my breakfast, guys. I got a omelet with all the veggies, no meat. I asked them to bring me one slice of whole wheat toast. I never asked for an order because a lot of times they'll bring you like 3 slices. I always ask them not to butter my toast because I can butter it myself because I'll use probably like 25% of the butter that they would put on. Then I have some fruit, got my coffee, and then I packed a banana, and I'm going to take this with me. This is my breakfast. This is me being mindful at a buffet and not going crazy, saying no to the biscuits, saying no to the waffles and pancakes and all those things I would like, but I have to fit into something very form-fitting tonight, but I want something filling, so this is going to do the job.